counted to 100. All right, well, we're going to move on, and we're going to talk about our new topic, which is shapes. All right, shapes are all around us. Everywhere we look, there's a shape, right? Look at Miss Moore's tape. Miss Moore's tape is a shape. Look at Miss Moore's calculator. Miss Moore's calculator is a shape. Look at Miss Moore's foam figures. They're shapes, right? All right. The folder is a shape as well. So shapes are all around us. Look and see if you see a shape. Look and see another one. Good job, you found a shape. All right. Well, shapes are different things, right? Everywhere we look around, there's different kinds of shapes. Well, we are going to learn how to define shapes. Say, I can describe and identify a 2D and 3D shape. Good job. Miss Moore. Yes? Well, I want to know what is a 2D and 3D shape. Well, I'm so glad you asked, right? A 2D shape is flat. A 2D shape is flat. Flat. It is flat. 2D shapes are flat, and they can't stand by themselves. Okay, let's keep that in there. All right, well, what's a 3D shape, Miss Moore? A 3D shape are solid. Can you say solid? Let me see those muscles. Solid. Good job. A 3D shape is solid. So we need to remember 2D shapes are flat and 3D shapes are solid, right? All right, so let's see some different examples of some solid and some flat shapes. These are different shapes. These are Miss Moore's foam shapes. Some of these shapes are solids. Some of these shapes are going to be 2D, flat. All right, so let's see. Miss Moore's button is a shape, yeah? Some of us might know what this shape is. What do you think this shape is? What do you think it is? Good job. Yeah, it's a square. Let's see if it's 2D or 3D. Remember earlier, Ms. Moore said 2D shapes are flat, so they cannot stand on their own. 3D shapes are solid, so they can stand on their own. Let's check it. Ready? Here we go. Oh no, it fell! So it could not stand on its own, right? Did it stand up? No, it fell. So is it 2D or is it 3D? It's a 2D shape because it cannot stand on its own. It's flat. Say flat. 2D shapes are flat and 3D shapes are solid. Right? Okay, let's try another one. Ta-da! We know what this is, right? This is a counter. Some of us might know what this shape is. Yes, a circle. It's a circle counter. We want to figure out if this shape is 2D or is it 3D. So we're going to do a test. Ready? Let's try. Dun, dun, dun. Oh no! It fell again! It fell. So what does it mean if it falls? Yeah, if it falls, that means it's flat. And we know that 2D shapes are flat. Good job. We know that 2D shapes are flat. So my circle counter is flat. Good job. Let's try one more. Ta-da! This is Miss Moore's dice, right? This is Miss Moore dry erase dice. Let's see. We know, does anybody know the shape of Miss Moore's dice? It's not called a dice. What is the shape? The proper name for the shape. You heard it! It's a cube! Good job! This is a cube! Now we have to do our test. Is this cube 2D or is this cube 3D? Let's see. But before we see, let's pick our brain. We remember that 2D shapes are flat and 3D shapes are solid. Okay? And solid figures can stand by themselves. 2D is flat, so it falls. Let's see. It stood up! Yes, it did. It stood by itself. It didn't fall over. So that means it is a 3D shape because it can stand by itself. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. Give yourself a hand. You want to try one more? Just one more. Okay, just one more. One more. We cannot stay here all day. Let's just try one more. Just one more. Ta-da! What is this? What is this called? Yeah, it's a cup. It's a cup. This cup is a shape. I told you shapes are all around us. Shapes are all around us. They're even something we drink, right? Does anybody know? It's very tricky. Does anybody know what this shape is called? Yeah, there you go. It's a cylinder. Say cylinder. Cylinder, yes. It's not a can shape. It's a cylinder. Say cylinder. Say it to your elbow. Cylinder. Good job. All right, so this cylinder, we need to see if it's 2D or if it's 3D. So we need to run our test, right? So when we run our test, what are we looking for? We're looking for if it's flat, right? That means it falls down. Or if it's solid and it stands up, okay? Let's see. Let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! It stood up. So that means it is what? Good job. It stood up by itself, so it is a 3D shape. So when you drink, you're drinking out of a 3D cylinder. Good job. Alrighty, Miss Moore's modeling time is over. We're gonna get into some practice. Are you ready? All right, let's switch it over to some modeling time. You ready? You ready?